Hey friends, Casey Ashmore coming to you from the studio. We're talking some more about family law. And then this short video segment, we're going to talk about the enforceability of family law protective orders. These are generally protective orders to prevent family violence from occurring because family violence has occurred or was likely to occur in the past. In other words, the threat of family violence was alleged. And a lot of times in these cases, the victim may make an immediate move, right? So they're gonna, let's just say that there's an allegation of family violence occurred in Rockwall County, Texas. Well, they may move to Oklahoma and take up residence in Oklahoma City simply to get away from the abuser, to remove themselves from a situation where the abuser could literally, walk through past the court order and into the house, the marital home, and either threaten or commit family violence again. So the move, to a foreign state, what happens to that order that's issued out of Rockwall, Texas? Well, what is one, here's one of the time, I joke a lot that sometimes I'm thankful we don't get all the government we pay for. But this is one situation where the state legislatures and the Congress of the United States of America worked together for the uniform enforcement of these orders. So what that means in plain English is that an order issued from a district court in Texas to prevent family violence is can be immediately domesticated and enforced in another state. So if you have a victim and they move to Arkansas or New Mexico or Oklahoma or all the way across the country to where mom and dad live in Seattle or Sacramento, California, it doesn't matter. That order from Texas can be domesticated and enforced, thereby giving protection to the spouse and the children of that marriage from further family violence occurring in case the other spouse, the abuser spouse, gets wind that, went back home, well, I know where home is and I'll be there to, continue on this family violence campaign. Well, rest easy, just so you know, that order is immediately enforceable in the foreign jurisdiction. I hope you're never faced with this scenario, but unfortunately, as a part of the nature of this business, we know that family violence, domestic violence occurs. 1 in 3 women are the victim of family violence. 1 in 4 men have been the victim of family violence, whether that was as a child or later in life, but maybe 1 in 5. Regardless, we know that this is a prevalent problem in our society, and be aware that you have protections to keep you safe or as safe as possible, both in your home state and when necessity requires you move out of state to create a new residence to get away from that abusive situation. I hope you're never in this situation. If you are, I hope this information is helpful, uplifting, positive. That is what it is intended to be. Thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a question or comment. I'll get back to you in a subsequent video series or direct message back to you. Thanks so much.